Red cabbage, a vibrant and nutritious vegetable, has gained attention for its potential role in weight management. This cruciferous vegetable is not only low in calories but also packed with beneficial nutrients that can support your weight loss journey. One of the key reasons red cabbage may aid in weight loss is its high fiber content. With just 30 calories per cup, red cabbage provides a generous amount of fiber that helps promote a feeling of fullness and prevents overeating. This can be particularly helpful for those looking to create a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. The nutritional profile of red cabbage is impressive. It's rich in vitamins C and K, as well as antioxidants like anthocyanins. These compounds not only contribute to overall health but may also play a role in weight management. Anthocyanins, for instance, have been linked to improved fat metabolism by increasing the production of adiponectin, a hormone that regulates glucose levels in fatty acid breakdown. Red cabbage's potential to boost metabolism is another factor that makes it attractive for weight loss. The antioxidants in red cabbage have been shown to have anti-obesity effects by reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. This can help prevent weight gain and support your body's natural fat-burning processes. Hydration is often overlooked in weight loss, but red cabbage can help in this area too. With its high water content, red cabbage contributes to overall hydration, which is important because the body can sometimes confuse thirst with hunger. Staying well hydrated can help prevent unnecessary snacking and support your weight loss efforts. Incorporating red cabbage into your diet is easy and versatile. You can enjoy it raw in salads for a crunchy texture, or cook it to bring out its natural sweetness. Remember, while red cabbage can be a valuable addition to a weight loss diet, it's most effective when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. As of today, the interest in natural, nutrient-dense foods for weight management continues to grow. Red cabbage, with its rich nutritional profile and potential weight loss benefits, is certainly a vegetable worth adding to your plate. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or simply improve your overall health, red cabbage offers a delicious and nutritious option to support your goals.